Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn to find the area of compound shapes. We've got 3 success criteria, and the first one is to find the area of basic shapes. So the area of a shape is the measure of the 2-dimensional space that it covers. So it's the space inside the shape. Each shape has a different formula to find its area, so you need to learn them all. To find the area of a rectangle, we do the width times by the length. To find the area of a parallelogram, we do the base times the perpendicular height. To find the area of a triangle, we do the base times the perpendicular height divided by 2. And to find the area of a trapezium, we add together the parallel sides, we divide it by 2, and then we times by the distance between the parallel sides. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers. There's your amber answers. And there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 1. So now we're going to move on to number 2, and this is to find the area of compound shapes. A compound shape is a shape that is made up of other 2D shapes. Compounds in science are one or more elements bonded together, and compound sentences in English are 2 independent clauses joined by a comma. So this is an example of a compound shape, and to find its area, first of all we've got to find out any missing lengths. So this side would be 1 centimetre, because we do 7 centimetres take away 6 centimetres. And this side would be 3 centimetres, because we do 8 centimetres take away 5 centimetres. Now we can split the shape up into 2 rectangles and find the area of each of these rectangles. So the first rectangle is 1 centimetre by 5 centimetres, so the area is 5 centimetres squared. The second rectangle is 7 centimetres by 3 centimetres, so the area is 21 centimetres squared. That means the total area of the compound shape is 26 centimetres squared. Here's another example. So we start by splitting the shape up into a rectangle and a triangle, and we need to find the area of both these shapes. So for the triangle, we need to do the base times the height divided by 2. So the height of the triangle is 5 centimetres, because we do 8 centimetres take away 3 centimetres. And the base of the triangle is 2 centimetres, because we do 8 centimetres take away 6 centimetres. So the area will be 5 times 2 divided by 2, which is 5 centimetres squared. The area of the rectangle is 8 centimetres by 3 centimetres, so its area is 24 centimetres squared. That means the total area of the compound shape is 29 centimetres squared. Here's a question for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to see what you should have done, press play. So for this question, we need to find out any missing sides. So the missing side there in the middle is 4 centimeters. And then we can split the shape up into rectangles, and we need to find the area of each of these rectangles. So the first rectangle is 2 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So that's an area of 6 centimeters squared. The second rectangle is 2 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So that also has an area of 6 centimeters squared. And the third rectangle is 8 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So that's an area of 16 centimeters squared. That means the total area of this compound shape will be 28 centimeters squared. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers, and there's your amber answers. The greens made rabbit, and the ambers made deer. So now we've completed success criteria 2. So now we're going to move on to number 3. This is to apply to problem-solving questions. So here is a diagram of Jim's garden. Jim wants to cover his garden with grass seed to make a lawn. Grass seed is sold in bags, and there is enough grass seed in each bag to cover 20 meters squared of the garden. Each bag of grass seed costs £11.60. So we want to work out the least cost of putting grass seed on Jim's garden. So the first thing we need to do here is work out the area of the garden, and the garden is in the shape of a trapezium. So to find the area of the trapezium, we add together the parallel sides, we divide by 2, and then we times by the distance between the parallel sides. So the area of the garden is 195 meters squared. Now we need to find out how many bags we need. And each bag covers 20 square meters. So we divide the area of the garden by 20, which is 9.75. So we round that up, and we're going to need 10 bags. Now each bag of grass seed costs £11.60. So the total cost will be £116. Here are 2 questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to see what you should have done, press play. So for the green question, first thing we need to do is work out the area of the kitchen. So we can split it up into 3 rectangles and find the area of each rectangle. The first rectangle is 3 meters by 3 meters. So that's an area of 9 meters squared. The second rectangle is 2 meters by 3 meters. So that's an area of 6 meters squared. And the third rectangle is 5 meters by 7 meters. So that's an area of 35 meters squared. So the total area of the kitchen is 50 square meters. Now each pack of tiles covers 4 square meters, so we're going to need 12.5 packs. We can't buy half a pack, so we're going to need to buy 13 packs. And each pack costs £18.80, so the total cost of 13 packs will be £245.55. For the red question, we can split this shape up into 2 rectangles and work out the area of each rectangle. So the first rectangle is 2 meters by 8 meters, so that's an area of 16 square meters. And the second rectangle is 3 meters by 1 meter, so that's an area of 3 square meters. So the total area is 19 square meters. Now Floorings R Us, each of their packs cover 5 square meters, so we need 3.8 packs. We can't buy 3.8, so we need to buy 4 packs. And if we buy one, we get one free. So we only pay for 2 packs. And each pack costs £15. So all we need to pay in Floorings R Us is £30. At P&Q, each pack has enough for 10 square meters. So we need to buy 1.9 packs, which we round up to 2 packs. We get 50% off. It's £10 per pack. So that will cost £20. So P&Q are cheaper by £10. Now we've completed success criteria 3. Now we've completed the last objective, it's time to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it useful. Make sure to like and subscribe and be sure to check out the other videos on the rest of the channel. I'll see you next time. See ya.